Right, Audi A4, and my boot lock is broken and I couldn't get the boot open. It was just making a clicking noise, so I've disconnected it and that's why it's not making the noise now. And on investigating, I need to replace the whole lock, which is this. So from Audi UK, this is £102 including the VAT, and from Amazon it was £25 delivered. So to open the boot from the inside, it's not under the seat. Some have a cable that you pull under the seat, it's not that, and some have a latch somewhere along there, just a handle that you pull, it's not that. So on mine, it's right there in the middle. It's just a little cap that pops off, and you can see inside is that white part. So that white part is this thing here. So you just want to get a screwdriver in there, wherever my screwdriver is, and move that white latch, and that pops the boot open. So let's have a look from here. So all you're doing is moving that part there. Let me see if I can close this part over. So that's me closed the part over, and what you're doing is popping that. So I think your screwdriver will probably go in there. Really easy to open. So the locking mechanism is in here, and it's literally unplug from here, take the two nuts off, and it comes off, and the reverse will be just the same. That's it.